What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video on the Mr. Investor YouTube channel. Um, don't really have to say much looking at this page here. Right across the board, the crypto markets have taken a nasty tumble here as the total market cap is down 15% in the last day. And if you can just scroll down here, you see Bitcoin at 31,500, Ethereum's under 1,900. Binance Coin, which is at 600 at the peak, is now under $300. Dogecoin, that's down 38% in the last 24 hours. Chainlink under $18 here. VeChain under 7.5 cents. So we've seen a lot of damage across the board here. It's tough to say where we're heading from here. I understand the emotion that gets involved when we see right across the board, when we see our assets losing value, but the thing you have to understand here is that the fundamentals of these tokens that you invest in, that you understand, they do not change. So as long as the fundamentals stay the same, the price shouldn't really matter in the short term. Um, the true price expected value will come in the long term, and these ups and downs are just natural parts of markets. Whether we believe it's manipulation or not, it's just a part of the game we play. If we look at the crypto fear and greed index here, we're sitting at a 10, which is extreme fear. And I'd kind of want to dive into some articles that I found. I believe that is kind of adding on to this to the FUD and the problem that we're seeing in the crypto market right now. So first one we saw this was China is to shut down over 90% of its Bitcoin mining capacity after local bans. Then it goes on to say that many Bitcoin mines in southwest China's Sichuan province, one of China's largest cryptocurrency mining bases, were closed as of Sunday, according to after local authorities ordered a halt to mining in the region on Friday amid an intensified nationwide crackdown against cryptocurrency mining. The ban also means that more than 90% of China's Bitcoin mining capacity is estimated to be shut down, at least for the short term, as regulators in other key mining hubs in China's north and southwest regions have taken similar harsh steps. Um, the notice listed 26 firms that have been inspected and reported as potential cryptocurrency mining enterprises here that were forced to shut down. Going into the next article here, this is just a headline. China's central bank summons commercial lenders, payment platforms on cryptocurrency trading speculation. So, I mean, you see a headline like that, and you already see this China's to shut down 90% of its Bitcoin mining, you're kind of questioning, okay, well, what's going to happen next? Well, then this got dropped about an hour later. China's central bank tells banks, institutions to cut cryptocurrency payment links, which I think is that's another really steep headline, banning 90% of its Bitcoin mining, and now this. China's central bank on Monday held talks with a number of Chinese banks and payment institutions with regard to cryptocurrency trading speculation, asking them to screen the capital accounts of cryptocurrency exchanges, over the counter dealers, and cut relevant payment links in what is said to be a thorough claim of cryptocurrency transactions in the country. In a statement, the People's Bank of China reiterated that no banks or banking institutions are allowed to provide products or services like registration, transactions, or accounts for individuals who engage in cryptocurrency trading. The banks are also required to enhance capabilities to check their clients' accounts through methods such as analyzing the characteristics of capital transactions and cryptocurrency speculation to make sure that their clients can't engage in such investment. So it sounds like they're just doing a full on cryptocurrency ban right now. Um, the banks and institutions attended the talk include the Agricultural Bank of China, China Construction Bank, and Alipay. The bank said they will abide by the instructions to shun cryptocurrency transactions and help cut relevant capital channels. So, not a nice article here whatsoever. Another one. The bank TSB is set to bar 5.4 million customers from buying crypto. A United Kingdom based financial institution, TSB Banking Group plc, will soon ban its over 5.4 million customers from buying Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Bank TSB has reportedly received a plethora of complaints from customers about crypto related fraud cases. Indeed, the UK bank says about 12.5% of payments to crypto exchange platforms involve transactions as against 1 in 5,500 for non virtual currency related transfers. Crypto exchange giant Binance has reportedly been linked to the rising number of crypto fraud complaints lodged by the bank customers. Two-thirds of suspected cases were linked to Binance, with 849 instances occurring between mid-March and mid-April. Again, not a good article headline or a good article at all. Bank of Russia governor says that crypto is the most dangerous investment. The Bank of Russia continues its tough stance on cryptocurrency trading despite growing concerns over the country missing out on the digital asset industry. And the quote here is that the central bank never gives investment advice, but in this particular case, the bank definitely does not recommend it. So these are what they're doing is that they're instilling this doubt and this fear into people's minds here. And like I said in the beginning of this video, you have to understand what you hold and understand the fundamentals. And as long as you understand and have those two things, then the price in the short term should not matter. Um, in my opinion, I think that this is an opportunity to accumulate a little bit more. Um, Maybe you want to wait just a little bit longer to see where the bottom actually is. Again, not financial advice, but at least in my mind, what I'm doing here is I'm really paying attention to where I think the bottom could be, and then I'm going to start thinking, okay, well, what do I see is the best asset that's on sale right now? So again, that's just my opinion, but I do want to show a couple charts here. This is from M31 Capital. I'll post all of this stuff in the description below, but this is a tweet saying comparing Bitcoin's 2021 price chart to its 2013 chart. It follows almost perfectly. And look at this. It really does. This is the current chart in white and the Bitcoin price chart between 2010 and 2013, and it's almost exact. And you could probably say, okay, well, that's just one chart, right? And you're right, that is just one chart. But let's pull up another chart. This is another one from this year to 2017. Again, our chart of this year is in white, and the Bitcoin chart of 2016, 2018, it's following it pretty much exactly. So take from that what you want. I think we're following a pattern here. I mean, that's two cycles worth of data here that we are pretty much following almost to a T. And then the last thing I want to show is the Bitcoin stock to flow model or ratio. This is from Glassnode, another really cool website. I put all this in the description for you guys. And just take a look at this. So this is the stock to flow ratio, this bold line here, all the way up of what the expected value is as the halvings go on and as time goes on. And this is the current price on these dates, and it treads this stock to flow model pretty closely. Again, take from that what you will. I just find all this very interesting, and I think metrics and charts they don't lie as it comes to this one. We have some data here that can back up these findings. So um, I just want to say, the markets might be down, but stay optimistic, stay positive, understand the fundamentals, know what you hold, and if you truly believe in what you hold, and you truly believe in the space, and you think the best is yet to come, maybe 3, 5 years down the line, then this should be an opportunity to add to your bags. Not financial advice, but that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you next time.